Getting error code 182 while installing Adobe apps. This is a quick and easy fix to get you back on track. Works in 2025. So, the error 182 usually means some required components are missing or blocked, like the Microsoft Visual C++ or outdated drivers. So if you got this error, first you can restart your computer, because sometimes a fresh boot clears temporary conflicts. Next up, you can update your graphics driver. You can head to NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's official site and install the latest GPU drivers. So since I'm using AMD as my driver, so I can just go to this www.imd.com and download the drivers. So the error 182 can appear if your GPU drivers are outdated or missing. So this can be the solution. And the next step, you can run Creative Cloud as admin. So you can just right click the Adobe Creative Cloud installer and select Run as administrator. And this bypasses permission issues. Next, you can also install the Microsoft Visual C++. So make sure the Microsoft Visual C++ are installed, especially the 2015 to 2022 versions. Just visit the Microsoft site and install both the x64 and x86 packages. You can also use Adobe Cleaner tool if still failing. So if it's still not working, you can use Adobe's Creative Cloud Cleaner tool to remove corrupted install and try again. You can download it first and reinstall the Creative Cloud after that. And that's it. You should now be able to install Adobe without error 182. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye!